Hi everyone, this is Tarique on behalf of Law Mantra presenting the legal headlines of the day. The legal headlines of the day are active connivance by investigative agencies to suppress facts can't be ignored or overlooked, Supreme Court. Although we are aware of the ratio laid down in Prabhu versus Emperor Year 1944 PC 73, wherein the court had ruled that irregularity and illegality of arrest would not affect the culpability of the offence if the same is proved by cogent evidence. Yet, in this case at hand, such irregularity should be shown deference as the investigating authorities are responsible for suppression of facts, the bench said. Facebook responds to Indian government notice on data scandal. Cheating allegations against developers, not disputes of civil nature. Bombay High Court wraps police for neglecting complaints. The Bombay High Court recently wrapped police officials for terming as civil dispute allegation of cheating against developers and thereby turning away complaints. High voltage hearing in Rohingya matters. Who said what? In pursuance of its direction of April 9, ASG Tushar Mehta on Friday submitted before the Supreme Court the status report on the living condition in the Rohingya settlement in Delhi and Haryana. Centre proposed 6-month jail terms for those who abandoned elderly parents. The Narendra Modi government is planning to increase the jail term for those who abandoned or abused their elderly parents to 6 months from the existing 3 months. Though professional, gentlemen, leaders describe Himanshu Roy. Himanshu Roy, former chief of the anti-terrorism squad of the Maharashtra police, allegedly committed suicide at his residence on Friday. Maharashtra Governor C.H. Vidyasagar Rao, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, opposition leaders as well the prosecution who had worked with the senior IPS officer Himanshu Roy condoled his death, calling it a loss for the state police. Two aspirants challenge the lowering of upper age limit for Madhya Pradesh Higher Judicial Services. Supreme Court issues notice to State and Madhya Pradesh High Court. The Supreme Court on Friday issued notice to the State of Madhya Pradesh and the High Court of Madhya Pradesh through its Registrar General on a petition moved by two women aspirants of Madhya Pradesh Higher Judicial Services challenging the Madhya Pradesh Higher Judicial Service Rule 2017 and the advertisement issued for recruitment to the said post, bringing down the upper age limit. A bench headed by Justice K. Joseph issued the notice and directed the respondents to appear before it on May 16th. Allahabad lawyers shooted in broad daylight. Protests erupt, sending shockwaves across the city. A district court lawyer from Allahabad was shot dead in the city in broad daylight on Thursday morning. He was shot near the V.G. Manmohan Park crossing in the heart of the city. Meanwhile, as the news spread, a huge crowd of local residents, including scores of lawyers, gathered at the spot demanding immediate arrest of the culprits. They blocked MG Marg near the MLN Medical College crossing in protest against the incident with the body of lawyers. As per Times of India report, the crowd later blocked the road close to the office of the district police chief and set bars on fire. This much for today. Thank you, and please do subscribe our channel for more legal updates.